Hey, Jake, how's your day going?
Hey, Emma. Pretty busy, as always. You know how it is with work. What time do you usually start your shift at the hospital?
I start at 8 a.m., but before that, I have to drop my kids off at school. What about you? What time do you start teaching?
I start my first class at 7:30 a.m., so I have to be at the school by 7 a.m. But just like you, I have to drop my kids off at school before work.
It's a lot of responsibility, right? Being a parent and working at the same time. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 3:30 p.m., but sometimes I stay later to grade papers or help students. And you?
My shifts vary, but I usually finish around 5 p.m. After that, I pick up my kids from school.
Same here. I go straight from work to pick them up. It's a busy life.
It really is. Do you like being a teacher?
Yes, I love it. Teaching is challenging, but seeing my students learn and grow makes it worth it. What about you? Do you enjoy being a doctor?
Absolutely. It's stressful sometimes, but helping people and making a difference in their lives is very rewarding.
That's amazing. What's your favorite part of your job?
I love interacting with my patients and helping them feel better. It's really fulfilling. What about you?
I enjoy inspiring my students and seeing them succeed. It's great when they understand something they struggled with before.
That sounds really rewarding. Would you ever change jobs if you had the chance?
I don't think so. I love teaching, but maybe I'd like to teach at a university someday. What about you?
I'd still want to be in the medical field, but maybe I'd like to specialize in pediatrics in the future.
That would be perfect for you. By the way, what happens if you're late to work?
Well, in a hospital, it's really important to be on time. If I'm late, my patients could be left waiting, and that's not good. What about you?
If I'm late, my students are left waiting, and it disrupts the whole class. Plus, my boss wouldn't be too happy.
Yeah. I think most bosses don't like when employees are late too often. What would your principal say if you were late every day?
He'd probably call me in for a serious talk. If it happened too often, I might even lose my job. What about you?
Same here. Hospitals are strict about punctuality. If I were late too often, they might start cutting my shifts, or worse, fire me.
Wow, that would be bad. That's why I always set multiple alarms.
Me too. And I always leave early just in case there's traffic.
Smart move. Well, we both have busy schedules, but it's nice to talk about it.
Definitely. Let's catch up again soon.
Sounds good. Have a great day at work, Emma.
You too, Jake. See you later.